Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training. You can contact us through the number that is provided on the channel and in this video. You can WhatsApp us for any training. So we're looking into real exam questions. The one that we are going to cover today is this Heathfield Gardens to Brunswick Road. So let's look into this. So here we have these 2 points. So our starting point here always green, and then this is our destination point, the red one. So from here you can see that we need to come down, and the point is also a bit on the left side of this screen. So that's how we need to follow this. So let's look into this. So I'm going to zoom in. So that's where we are. So just click on this point and come out, and from here we can actually go straight. So the reason we are going straight, this is on top of us, so we are under this flyover. So we can simply go straight from here. And keep going straight from here. Again, we are under this thing, so that's not a problem. So just make sure you don't touch these lines, the side lines that we have here, and you just keep on going straight. Straight here. Straight, so just take this road. We are on this A406, the North Circular. Just make sure, once again, don't touch any of these side lines and carry on going straight. Straight here. So you can see that we are going down, and it's automatically taking us towards the left side as well, where our point was. So keep going down, and so you can see here again, down here, down here. We can zoom out a bit to see where our point is once again. So that's where the point is. So we are on the right track here. So we'll just keep on following the same road. So carry on going straight. So again, straight from here. Straight here. So here we are staying on this side, and once again this one is on top of us, so that's not a problem here. And we'll keep on going straight. We are under this, so that's again no problem. That's on top of us. So, and then here again we'll go here, and then again come here. So you can see we're staying on this A406 all the way. Just don't touch these lines, that's the main thing from here. And then from here we'll come down here, and from this roundabout we'll come down here to take this roundabout. And we can see our point and we can see that we can actually get into this thing. So here, and then we can get in here and keep going straight, and then we just click on this point when you get here. So that's the route. Just a couple of things. This roundabout is important, how you take the roundabout, and also from here at the back, the main thing that you should keep in mind is that part here. So you can go straight, so don't go around because it's on top of us, so we are still under this flyover. Okay, so these are the most important things, right? So, and we can also see that this is the most direct route, straight route that we have created. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.